Anyway, hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today you join me here at Worcester Shrub Hill. First train you saw was the delayed 14:15 from Hereford to London Paddington. Second one was on ECS move from Worcester Shrub Hill to Worcester Shrub Hill. I'm at Worcester Shrub Hill. And the third one that's on the Salisbury to Worcester Foregate Street. Then there's that one there. I don't know where that's going. And then this one coming in again from Worcester Shrub Hill to Worcester Shrub Hill. Yeah. So this one's got a 47 and a Royal Scot with the Mark 1s and 2s. Here's this one. That's Royal Scot there. So today you'll be seeing services from Locomotive Services, that's them, West Midlands Railway and Great Western Railway. Already seen them all. Enjoy the video. So yeah. Don't know when it's going to stop, but okay. And also, the 197 in the middle track's a bit random. I called it 197 again. It's 196. I always get 197s and 196s muddled up, and I don't know why. It's just something I do. There you go. I don't know why that took so long to come in, but it took a very long time. Anyway, yeah, that's that one. And it should probably be leaving again quite soon. So now arriving we have 158 760. This is on a Worcester Foregate Street to Bristol Temple Mead service. It's a little bit late as well. Also, finally that 196 is going out. Finally, that took a while. There's also an IET arriving. Also 158 760 departing to Bristol Temple Meads. Also, that's going out. So the IUT is waiting. So yeah. Oh wait, no, the 196 is just moving up a little bit. It's not actually leaving. Okay. Still there, everyone. Still there. That's a bit of a random place to park. Right, that's going out to somewhere. Probably the depot over there, but I don't know. Yeah, there's that one. There's another Great Western Railway says from London Paddington. And I think this one's to Great Malvern. I don't know why, I just think it's to Great Malvern. I could be completely wrong. It's either to Foregate Street or Great Malvern. Alright. 800-032 was to Foregate Street from London Paddington. Oh, there's that one. Down there, you probably can't see it, but that 66 is gone. A bit late. So here's the 1515. I think this one actually is from Great Malvern, because I saw it waiting at Malvern Wells on my way up here. Yeah, 800-320. This is from Great Malvern to London Paddington. Here's this one. .032 was to Foregate Street from London Paddington. That's that one there. So there's 800-320. That's to London Paddington from Great Malvern, coming at Worcestershire Parkway, Pershaw, Evesham, Honeybourne, Moulton Marsh, Kingham, Charlbury, Hanborough, Oxford, Didcot Parkway, Reading and London Paddington. So there's that one. And also arriving, wow, my camera's doing some weird things. Also arriving, we have a 166 from somewhere to Worcester, Foregate Street. I'm going to guess it's something like Salisbury again, or maybe Bristol Temple Meads, but I'm not 100% sure. Is that 800-030 again? It's 800-030 again. That was a very, very quick turnaround. I don't know why it says not in service though. I'm a bit confused. It says not in service, Oxford, Didcot Parkway, Reading and London Paddington. And it looks a bit empty as well. I'm guessing it's on an empty coaching stock move. A different one. I don't know what's going on with that one actually. Picture. No, proper picture, thank you. There you go. I don't know what that one's doing, to be honest. 166 220 from Bristol Temple Meads to Worcester Foregate Street. With some nice tones. Nice tones it was. Yeah, I'm going to guess that 800 went to some sort of depot. I don't know what it's doing. Nice doubler as well. So we've got a pair of 172 going out there from one of the Snow Hill lines to Worcester Foregate Street. I didn't know this was coming because I kind of didn't see it on real-time trains. It is on real-time trains, I checked. But yeah, there's that one. And I think that's the IET that I wanted to... that I was questioning earlier. Don't know if I missed the tones or not. That's a 5 coat. Yeah. It gave some tones. It's a high tone and a low tone. I don't know if I got the tones on video though. If you wanted me to imitate it, then I'm not going to. But yeah, there's that one too. Well, from Worcester Foregate Street to Stratford-upon-Avon. Right, so he's going out now. Was that another 172? Oh no, it was him again. Hello again. He's back. Is it this one again? 166 220 again. Another Bristol Temple meat service. Anyway, that one's going down there, and so's that one. Those tones actually kind of sounded like the 172 tones. That's why I thought it was a 172. He's a good driver. He gives a lot of tones, that one. And lots of tones is good for us train spotters. If you're not a train spotter and just clicked on this video because you saw it was a steam train, then yeah. It's coming back really, really slowly. Like, really slowly. But yeah. I've got semi-confirmation that it's going to come in on platform 2 there, and then go back out to Northampton, but I don't know, honestly. The service to Bristol Temple Meads is also waiting here. For this one, probably. So, no. No, they're gonna have to make him wait, though. I get the feeling that's 1603, but they haven't let this 166 go yet. The thing is, the plan was to get 1603 back to Great Malvern and then change reserves to Hereford. And I have a music lesson at 5:30, so this is the latest train that I can actually catch with a change. So yeah, they still got the train there. But that IUT is waiting, hopefully, outside the station. I mean, the steam train's filling up already, so hopefully they're going to send the steam train out first. But it is lower in the priority to this normal 166. Like the head code priority stuff. Google it. Or find another video about it if you want to know what the head code thing is if you don't already know. But yeah. Yeah, see, this 166 still has its interlock lights on. I just realised these Mark IIs don't actually have interlock lights. Yeah, I don't really know when this is going. I have heard some doors shut though. So hopefully they're going to send this one out first. I think it's unlikely. It'd be nice if they did that. Yeah, this is now really late. And so is that one. So is the one down there, which is the one I'm meant to be getting into Great Malvern. Hey, it's finally moving. there's that one. On the delayed 1550, locomotive services to locomotive service, yeah, to Nottingham. No, not Nottingham. Northampton, that bit. So yeah, there's that one. So there's that one, to Bristol Temple Meads from Worcester Foregate Street. It's really late now. So now coming in, we have the delayed Great Western Railway service, again delayed. This one is from Hereford to London Paddington. Once a week, that stops at Shipton as well. Once a week from Hereford that stops at Shipton. That's cool. There. Also, the 1603 is still over there. And still really late. Don't know where it is. Well, I know where it is, I don't know where I don't know what it's doing, basically. Right. Finally arriving at 1618, quarter of an hour late, is the 1603 service to Great Malvern. That's where I'm going to end this video. If you liked it, remember to like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.